Okay, I'd like to think that I can solder pretty well. And this was from a computer case. It would hook the headphone jack on the front of the computer to the motherboard. And that computer case slash motherboard failed. And I decided to try to harvest this. So I've cut and stripped off the header connector on this end. And I'll show you what happens when I try to solder it. Okay, so my iron has reached 400 degrees Celsius, and all of the solder has ended up on the iron. Nothing is on the metal. So I'm going to crank my iron up to the max, which is a little over 480 degrees Celsius, and I'll wait for that to reach its temperature. And still nothing. All of the solder is on the tip. If anyone has any idea what kind of metal this is or why I'm having issues soldering to it, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.